What is important, Vivian, what is important, it is already determined, it has already been identified, diba? Kung ano yung purpose. Kasi yun naman talaga yung iniiwasan ng Constitution na magkaroon ng lump sum budget na walang identification na ang uh, magiging way of implementing it is parang discretionary fund. Yun naman talaga yung dapat na iwasan doon. Pero in this case, yung program appropriations, identified na siya, subject na siya for very strict guidelines and criteria na hindi siya magiging discretionary funds, na intended siya for a specific area of concern. Kapag humuhugutan, halimbawa, doon sa mga possible yung mga revenue collection natin na nangyayari naman based on actual occurrences because we do have a revenue collection that we will be getting throughout this year. But we cannot predict exactly how much would that be. Yung practicality of time sometimes is the reason why kung bakit i-identify na lang as an program appropriation for specific purpose rather than having the same old subject naman the usual routine of filing it, submitting it to the Congress, and then committee deliberation and for the two chamber to sit down for the BICAM. So it will take time.